Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about how to calculate total working hours and extra working hour for employees. So let's look at the data set. We have three columns: employee name, in time, and out time. So first of all, we will calculate the total working hours. So for this, we will simply subtract this out time from the in time and press enter, and here we have got the working hours. And suppose we have a criteria: if the employee works more than 8 hours, it will be considered as extra working hours. So we want to calculate the extra working hours for the employee. How we will do that? So for this we will use if condition. So we will to calculate the extra hour, we will use if condition. So if this total working hour is greater than 8 hours, so for the 8 hour we will use time function, and we will type 8 for hour, minute 0, and for second 0. If this total working hour is greater than 8 hour, we will track this total working hour from the 8 hours. So again, for 8 hour we will use the time function, and if not, then we will show dash here and press enter, and we will drag the formula. So here we can see that this employee Priya uh, has no extra working hours. So here we have got the dash, and here we can see that Rohan has worked for 9 hours. That means 1 hour extra from the 8 hours. And yeah, Mira has worked for 10 hours. That means 2 extra hours. 2 extra hour. So now let's understand the formula. So if this total working hour is greater than 8 hour, we have subtracted this working hour from the 8 hour, and if it is not greater than 8 hour, give me the result as dash. And here in this way we can calculate the total working hour and extra working hour for employees. Thank you for watching this video.